I am Carol Angela Davis. Okay, folks, the thing about climate change is that it's just one thing after another, and now it's the invasive murder hornet. That's right, folks. It can kill a human. The Asian giant hornet is the world's largest. We should tell you it can kill you with its venom, but also, and probably even worse than that, is the fact that it kills the European honeybee. Now, that hornet has been found for the first time in the United States. We should tell you it's very large. It's the size of an adult thumb. It has a yellow and orange head, and it's most destructive in the late summer and early fall. That brings me to our slay word disingenuous for deceitful, because if someone's telling you climate change and global warming are not a problem, they're being very disingenuous, people. All right, because it's causing a dangerous migration of insects, and now we've got one killing honeybees, and honeybees are the world's most important pollinator of food crops. Folks, the 1/3 of the food you eat each day, you get it because it's a result of the honeybee. Honeybees are called super pollinators. That means they help flowers and plants reproduce. You know, you need that. When a honeybee lands on the flower of a plant, pollen from the flower's male reproductive organ sticks to the honeybee, and then the bee goes from plant to plant, and it puts the pollen, it comes into contact, with the flower's female reproductive organs, and that creates the opportunity for fertilization. We have to have these honeybees. They are not picky. They will literally pollinate anything. Okay, thank goodness for us, because without them, we have no food. Now, without honeybees and other bee species, your food options are going to shrink dramatically. I tell you, 1/3 of the food that you eat every day is a result of that honeybee. Without the services of those bees and other pollinators, pollinator-dependent plants cannot reproduce. It is a food cycle. Think about it. No flowering plants, no fruit trees. Think about what's going to happen. It's going to go all throughout the food chain, and a whole lot of food, a whole lot of plants and animals that depend on those plants for food are going to die. And by the way, we use a lot of honey here in the United States. In 2018, we consumed about 600 million pounds of honey, and let me tell you that of that, 152.3 million pounds were produced here in the United States. The rest of it produced outside of the United States. We need our bees, so we have to stop global warming. It's just causing havoc on our environment. I'm Carol Angela Davis.